welcome back to the career platform. I am Anuradha, your maths teacher. Here in this video I will cover exercise 6.1 of class 8. Okay, so here it is the question number 1. So what will be the unit digit of the squares of the following numbers? So we have to tell what is the unit digit of the squares of this number. So we will see what we have to do. This is the unit digits. Okay, this one is the unit digit. Okay, so we have to tell the unit digit of the squares. So we have to square this unit digit, 1 square. So I will get answer as 1. Okay, here 2. So I am squaring this 2 square. Okay, so I am getting 4 as the unit digit. So simple. This is 9. So 9 square. 9 nines are 81. Okay, but we have to tell the unit digit. So in 81, what is the unit digit? This one. So I am getting answer as 1. Okay, here 3853. So 3 is the unit digit. 3 square, 3 3s are 9. So 9 is the unit digit. Here 4 square, 4 4s are 16. 6 is in the units place. So this unit digit of the square of 1 2 3 4 is 6. Like this. Come to the 6. 7 square 49. I am getting units place 9. Okay, here 8 square, 8 8s is 64, 4. Here 0 square, that is 0. 6 square, 6 6 is 36, 6. Okay, 5, here 5 square means 25. The units place is 5. So this is the solution for the question number 1. Okay. Okay students, next question is question number 2 here. The following numbers are obviously not perfect squares. Give reason. Okay, we know that we have this numbers in the unit digits, that is 1, 4, 9. Okay, 4 is there, 0, 1, 4, right. This is 9, 6 and 5. Okay, 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. These are the numbers in the last digit having a perfect square. Having a perfect squares. So here you can see that we don't have these numbers like 7, 3, 8, 2. 2, 3, 7, 8 ending with last digit. Okay, ending with last digit 2, 3, 7, 8 are not perfect squares, because we have the perfect squares with this ending with these digits. Okay, but here you can see this 7, 3, 8, 2, 2. But here you can see last digit is 0, but it is not a perfect square. How it is possible? You can see that in 10 square we have the even number of digits, that is 100. Okay, so it has the two zeros. Okay, if here you can see that 3 zeros are there. Here you can see 3 zeros and here you can see 1 0. So these are the odd number of zeros. Odd number of zeros are not perfect squares. For the perfect squares we should have the even number of zeros. So this is the question number 2. Okay students, next question is question number 3. What we have to do is the squares of which of the following would be the odd numbers. So we have to check which squares have odd and which squares have even. So we can check from the last digit. Okay, 1 square, that is 1, that is odd number, right. 6, that is 6 square, so I am getting 36. 6 is the last digit, so it is coming even number. So the squares of this one is even number. From the last digit we can see what it is. Okay, that is even or odd. Here it is 9. So 9 square, that is 81. So last digit is 1. So I am getting odd number. Here 4. 4 square is 16. So 6 is the last digit, that is the even number. Okay, so that is the question number 3rd. Okay students, next question is question number 4. You have to observe the following patterns and fill the missing digits. So here you can see that is 11 square is 1, 2, 1. Okay, no 0 means no 0 here. Here you can see 101, here 1 0. So it is before 2 1 0 and after 2 1 0. Here 2 0, before 2 2 0 and after 2 2 0. This is the pattern. So here you can see how many zeros, 1 2 3 4. So what we have to do here, before 2 4 zeros we have to put 1 2 3 4 and here also after 2 1 2 3 4 zeros. Okay, so we can do for this one. How many zeros? Here 6 zeros is there. So what is the number? 1, then 6 zeros, 2 3 4 5 6, then we will add 2. Okay, we will write 2, then after that 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1. So like this you can follow the pattern. That is the question number 4. Okay students, let's see next question, that is question number 5. Here also we have to observe the following pattern and you have to supply the missing numbers. So here you can see 11 square is 121, 101. So okay students, here you can see 11 square is equal to 121, 101. So here 1 plus 1 is 2. So in the middle it is 2 and here before 2 is 1 0 and after 2 is 0 1. Okay. So here 1 2 3, 3 ones. So I am getting 3 in the middle and you can write 1 0 2 0 here and here the before number like in the reverse order 0 2 0 1 after 3. Okay, like this we have 1 2 3 4. So in the middle we have 4. In the middle we have 4 and we have to write 1 0 2 0 3 0. Okay, before 4. Okay, and here in the reverse order 0 3 0 2 0 1, like this. Okay, and now we have this number here and what should be here in the left hand side. So here you can see 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0 and 5. So here it is 5. So how many ones? It will be 5 ones. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and in between I have to put zeros. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Like this we have to solve this question. Okay, so this is the pattern. Okay students, next question is question number 6 here. Okay, so use the given pattern, find the missing numbers. We have to find this missing numbers by this patterns. You can see that here 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 3 square. Okay, so here what we have to do, this can be written as 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 into 2 whole square. Okay, or 1 square plus 2 square, this is so equal to 3 square. Like this is 2 square plus 3 square plus 2 into 3 whole square equal to 7 square, and you can see that it is 2. So add 1, I am getting 3. So 3 ka square. Here 6, or this is 7 square. Or you can take another thing like this. If it is 4 plus 9, 9 minus 6, 7, 8, 9. Or you can write like this: 2 square plus 3 square minus 2 into 3 का whole square. So I am getting here 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, minus 2 3s are 6 का whole square. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 minus 6 is 7. So I am getting 7 square like this. Okay, you can take like this, or you can add 1 and square. Okay, here 3 plus 4 square, so this is 3 into 4, that is the 12 square, and add 1, that is 13 square. Or you can write like this: 3 square plus 4 square minus 3 into 4 का whole square. Okay, 4 square plus 5 is square, so I am getting here 4 into 5. 4 into 5 is 20 square I am getting here. Okay, here 30 is the multiple of 5 into 6, so I am getting here 6 square. Okay, here 6 square plus 7 square, so 6 into 7, that is 42. So I am getting here 42 square, and add 1, 43 square. Like this you have to tell. Okay students, next question is question number 7. Here what we have to do, without adding we have to find the sum of these odd numbers. So we have some formula for that, that if it is 5 odd numbers, so what can we do? 5 square. Okay, so 5 5s are 25. You can add this, you can sum this, you can check that this is the 25. You can check it. 3 plus 1 is 4, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, and 18 plus 7 is 25. Okay, so you have to add, means you have to find a sum without adding. So I just write this. This have the numbers 5. 5 odd numbers means 5 square. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all odd numbers. So this is the formula that for the odd numbers we can directly square the number of numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here 10 square, that is I am getting here 100. You can solve by adding also, but here without adding. You can check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I am getting here 12 square, that is 144. Okay, like this you can write. Okay students, next question is question number 8. In this question we have to express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers and 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. So what is here? Sum of first and odd numbers is equal to n square. Okay, so here we can express 49 is equal to 7 square. Okay, 7 square. So what is the first and first 7 odd numbers? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Okay, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 11, 6, and this is the 7th odd number. So you can express 49 is equal to express as the sum of 7 odd numbers. Okay, and 121 is the 11 odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, 121 is equal to 11 square, right? 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15, then 17 plus 19. Here it is 7, 8, 9, 10, one more 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is the, I can express this in the sum of the odd numbers. Okay. Okay student, let's do the next question. This is the last question of my video. So here it is the question number 9 of exercise 6.1. How many numbers lie between squares of the following numbers? Here it is meaning that 12 square and 13 square, that is 144 and 169. Between them how many numbers? So one formula is that you can note it down, that between n square and n plus 1 square, there are 2n non-perfect squares. Okay, between n square and n plus 1 square means here n square is 12, n plus 1 is 13. Okay, so in between that 2n means we have to write 2 into 12, that is 24. So how many numbers? 24 numbers lies between 12 square and 13 square. 12 square is 144 and 13 square is 169. So between them there are 24 numbers. You can directly solve by the formula. Okay, this is the important, you can note it now. 25 and 26. So here 2 into 25, 25 is n, and here n plus 1 is 26. Okay, so 2 into 25 is 50. Here 50 numbers, and 99 is n and 100 is n plus 1. So you can write here 2 into 99. So 2 9s are 18, 1 2 9s are 18, 198. So 198 numbers are there in between the square of 99 and 100. So I hope okay students, I hope you understand up till here. In the next video I will cover exercise 6.2. So please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you and have a nice day.